Welcome to the G3 podcast. We're going to be talking about everything geeky and nerdy in between comic books, toys, video games, movies. You name it, we got it.
You're tuned in to the loudest, craziest, and most excited bunch of geeks and nerds on this side of the planet. You're about to dive into everything nerdy and geeky in between.
This
is the G3 Podcast. Gamers, geeks, and good times.
Ba't ako mute? Ano ba yan? KJ! Pero yun na nga mga kaibigan, it is 8 o'clock and it's a Friday. You know what time it is. It's G3 time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome sa lahat ng pasimulang nanonood. Ayan, alam ko nandiyan ka, Stanley. Ayan, so ayan, shout out sa'yo. And syempre may nagbabalik all the way from the land of the rising sun. Chino! Ayan o.
Konnichiwa.
Aba, nagja-Japanese yung...
Konnichiwa.
Japan ka pala ngayon, ha?
Konnichiwa.
Mga kaibigan, magandang gabi. Mineral Tuna, kasama natin ngayon, Notch, Palitz, Captain Mike, and Trickster. And narinig namin kahapon, nandito din daw si Bing. So, tingnan natin kung hahabol si Bing. Rene, frogs ka pa rin dyan, Rene. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Frogs.
Pa rin namin. Palakas ka. Ayan. So, guys, how was your week? Like, sobrang I was so super swamped this week. Inutusan ako ni Mike na gumawa ng something for G3. And sabi ko, I will try to do it tonight. And that tonight was Monday night. So,
wow!
So it's Friday night already, Mike. I'm sorry. Crunch time na kami. Or my project would be in 2 weeks. So hindi ko alam kung mapaprioritize ko yun. But I'll try to do it this weekend.
Ganun talaga. Everyone's busy and everyone can see that.
Pero si Chino, alam ko, dito busy. Kakagaling lang ng Japan eh. Chino, ayan, kamusta? Kamusta yung trip natin to Japan?
Ay, nako, ang bilis-bilis. Para kahit 26 days, para ang bilis-bilis lang.
Bilis
pero I was also
right?
busy this week. Sobrang busy din kami this week kasi nga last week na. No? Tapos, ang daming nangyari. We went to Osaka. Tapos, may pinunta kami mga stores. Pagbalik sa Nagoya. And it was all a blur. And then, pagmulat ko sa Pilipinas na ako.
Parang kailan lang nasiraan ka ng sasakyan after ng Manila Game Fest tapos nandito ka na ulit. Diba?
You didn't have to remind me.
Pero, you know, hindi pa na paayos eh. Naghahanap pa ako na mag-aayos eh. Kung sino man marunong mag-aayos ng kotse, shoutout sa inyo. Pero, guys, I am very excited. No? Malungkot kasi wala na ako sa Japan pero excited ako dahil nandito na naman ako ulit.
Yon!
Let's go.
I got a question.
Thank you, Tita Judy.
Ayan,
Sabi na mami mo, welcome back, Chi.
I got a question though. On your way back, what airport did you go to? Did you use?
Siyempre, Cebu Pac. Cebu Pac lang. Cebu Pac, only Cebu Pac touches my passport.
Airport.
That's true, but
Airport,
which
airport.
airport?
Airport. Chubu.
Chubu. So, that's right. You're in Nagoya. Kasi if you're in
Nagoya
Tokyo,
kasi, Nagoya.
if you were in Tokyo, we could have gone to the
Narita.
which had an entire section for their airport, which basically an Edo era area where you can dress up in a kimono and eat.
This is in the airport, ng Narita.
Oh, this is in the airport. And
Ah.
you can even have your picture taken parang you're in a Jidaigeki. Oo. Meron din silang props and yung mga actors para magpo-posing para sa iyo.
Sayang. Ano,
Nice.
just to share, kasi medyo bago yung airport ni Nagoya, yung Chubu, and they had the big ass plane replica na ginagawang playground ng mga bata. And pagdating namin doon, I was expecting na hindi ko na my plan was to eat sa isang Yoshinoya kasi masarap yung Yoshinoya doon. Unfortunately, dahil sa pinsan ko, hindi ako nakakain sa Yoshinoya. So pagdating ko sa airport, ina-expect ko sana may Yoshinoya. Walang Yoshinoya, isa lang yung restaurant. Although masarap, pero bad trip talaga.
Notch,
by
may
the way-
tanong ako. May tanong ako.
Sige.
Bago ka mag-proceed. Ano yung lasa ng sinigang sa Japan compared sa sinigang sa Pilipinas?
May difference, promise. Kasi yung nagluto ng sinigang, meron silang sinigang mix na bibili. Pero ang wala is sitaw pati kangkong. Walang
So ano nilagay mo sa sinigang mo?
Yung
Radish.
nilagay ko sa sinigang ko was spinach. Kasama yung radish.
Ang ina!
Which is
Spinach.
okay. Same
Social
same lang
na
yun. Yung
Social
yung
na.
kangkong, yung sitaw ko was string beans ata. Hindi. Basta
In-English mo lang eh.
I don't know. Kalimutan ko na eh. Pero shout out kay Raymond Orendes, of course, studio.ph. Yan, t-shirt nila. Napaka-cute na mga turtles na to. Solid yan. So get your t-shirts
Yan.
at mga t-shirt to. At meron pa ako isa pang papakita. Sorry, mabilis lang po.
Baka kailangan mo
Nagbuot sa maleta,
i-censor yan,
nagbuot
ha?
sa maleta.
Brand ambassador ako eh. Brand ambassador ako ng Studio
Parang
PH.
kinabahan ako dyan. Okay.
At hindi ko
Kala ko kung ano.
Laruan ba yan? Laruan?
Hindi. Hindi ko makita yung isang t-shirt. Pero meron akong White Ranger t-shirt. So, kunin nyo na yan sa studio.ph lang.
Ayan.
Nice.
So yeah. Move tayo no from Japan sa kabilang dako naman tayo ng mundo on the
Yeah.
western side
To
of the world.
Dubai.
Palits, kamusta yung pagpapadami natin ng pera diyan? Narinig ko, ano ka daw I'm so fancy ka daw diyan
Putang ina.
I'm so fancy.
Ayoko na. Hindi, sobrang busy as always. Actually,
Ayun na,
nung sinabi mo may utang ka kay Mike ng try kong gawin as soon as possible. Tapos Monday pa. Ako last week pa yung utang ko. 2 weeks na. Sobrang busy. So, yun. May mga good news. And yeah, as always naman, tuloy-tuloy lang. Pwede ba mag-retire na ng 31? Pwede po ba ako mag-retire?
Sa yaman mo pwede. Sa yaman mo pwede.
Ayun.
Kung fighter ka, sige. Kung boxer ka. Kung hindi.
Kasi hindi. Masyado pang bata.
Masyado pang bata yun eh.
Bata pa 31. Madami pang laruan na bibilin. So,
Yan.
kailangan mo
Yan ang maganda. Yan ang
Tayo
gusto
sa
ko
laruan.
marinig.
Hindi. Madami pang pwedeng gawin para kay child.
Tama.
Diba?
Tama
Very
yan, tama naman.
very responsible suggestion by Trickster.
Oo nga.
Bakit?
Gusto ko na nga itapon yung anak ko eh. Joke lang. Love you, baby.
No.
Mahal na mahal ko anak ko.
Wag ganon.
Ganun to. Tama, no?
Ayan.
tayo makakancel
Siyempre, eto, kasi we're gonna talk about games. Let's ask our game guru, Trickster, how was your week, man?
Oh, I've been okay. After my PC was fixed, thank you for the repairman for that. I've been out of the loop with everything and just started updating and installing whatever is available out there. And it's related to the topic at hand, and we will get to that later. But yeah, in a way, I had been busy.
Pero eto lang
PC.
yeah, at least a PC is fixed, di ba? At least like hindi
Yeah.
ka gumastos ng ganong kalaki like you shared kahapon. Pero
Thankfully.
there is something new sa episode natin ngayon and ako yung naging pasimuno nitong twist. No? We're still doing a
Oo nga.
podcast. Don't you guys worry, all right? But we will still do the podcast with a twist. It's called the Podcast Mafia. Ayan. So,
And
again, may topic pa rin tayo. Yung topic natin is still going to be the topic, but it's Podcast Mafia. It's gonna be a lot of fun. First time namin i-try ito, so if it works, then we might do it, a couple more times.
Regularly.
Regularly, di ba? So, yeah. So, moving on, I think marami na rin tayong comments na nag-aantay na i-shoutout sila. I think it's time na tawagin natin ang ating resident palabate. Ayan. Mike,
Yan.
Hell yeah.
Batiin mo ng
Ang
maigi, Mike.
pabate ni Mike.
oo, batiin mo ng left and right, Mike. It's time for your 1 minute pabati portion.
sige, magsama-sama pa sa
Left and right, eh.
Batiin mo ng left and right.
Dalawang kamayin mo, Mike.
Parang mali siyang pakinggan. Pero yun na nga po, mga Tropa Peeps, here we go. By the way, welcome nga pala sa 60 viewers are watching on all our pages.
Hello,
so,
hello.
start muna tayo with the timer and start tayo kay Lala Lesko. Sabi nga daw, kiss ka daw ni Jazz.
Ayan.
So, sabi nga,
Hindi ko si Chino.
sabi ni
With
Lala,
all the
blooming daw
tongue.
si Chino.
Siyempre, ikaw ba naman kumain ng sinigang na may spinach, hindi ka mag-blooming.
Social na sinigang yun. Tapos ito, sabi ni Tita Judy and
Why not?
Machi, welcome back. Siyempre, Penelope Koser is also here.
Thank you, Tita.
Hello.
Hey!
Hey.
Si Raymond Rendez, sabi niya, t-shirt namin yan. Thank you, Chino. Buti daw
Yun,
dito nakasya ng
Studio.ph.
flight. Sabi niya, no? Ito, si Harem, na-miss ka nito. Welcome back, Notch.
Yun, I love you, brother.
Sabi ni Will, happy podcast, C3 Gang. Welcome back to Notch. Happy weekend, guys. Grabe, thank you. Sabi ni Raymond. Ched, sabi niya, hello, G3. Buti nga,
Hello, Ched.
Tapos,
Buti na lang, may
Jason,
G3 na. Hindi lang isang tao.
Oy.
Ted.
oo,
Sir J. Terol ng Evil Customs, salamat sa malupit.
Hello, Sir J. Terol. Hello.
Another designer.
Yan na nga, sabi ni Stanley, hello,
Right,
mga sir.
pahabol na shoutout, Mike.
Ito si-
Ubus na yung 1 minuto mo.
Oo,
Hindi mo
gusto
pa nailabas lahat.
natin yan. Si
Pang
Irma
matagalan
Ira,
si Mike.
Here. Paano Israel, and Carlo Rabe, and Ched Sedilla, sabi niya, sorry daw.
Hello.
Si Mike parang
comrades.
motolite yan, pang matagalan. Putang ina.
Matagalan.
hindi pwedeng quickie dyan kay Mike, dapat pang
Oh,
matagalan.
hindi pwede. Kailangan matagalan. The slow grind.
Pero thank you so much, Mike. At syempre, being that this night is the G3 game night, I would just like to tell everyone the mechanics of our podcast Mafia. So,
Yeah.
few minutes from now, all right? So, dahil nga 5 kami dito, ay meron, let's go!
Hindi, actually, 5 tayo dito,
Oh,
and
Akala ko
on behalf
may
of
stinger. O, ano ba
Penelope
yun?
Jazz, it's G3 game na. Siyempre,
Yun,
May stinger pala, eh.
Please! Easy!
Fairness. Pwede ba yung next game night natin, Diablo 4? Let's go!
Let's go na.
Bibili pa eh.
Tapos
Shout
mo na
out
yung
nga
Tears
pala.
of the Kingdom.
Shout out kay
Tapos mo na.
Shout out kay Razor Gold na nanalo sila ng copy ng Diablo 4. Sana
Congrats!
Congrats, Lala!
anong
Huwag ka mag-alala, di namin sasabihin luto yan.
anong edition yan?
Hindi ako sure.
Diablo
It's
4.
either standard or ultimate eh.
Dalawa yun.
So yeah, it's either. Alright, so again,
Mamaya,
G3
laro
Game
na
Night,
kagad.
Podcast Mafia, mechanics are 5 kami dito. I'm the host. Ako yung magiging referee or magiging arbiter nila. So out of the 4 of them, 1 will be the mole. I will assign 1 mole and of course yung 3 is the crew. Minutes from now, I will be sending the crew a prompt or a phrase na dapat gamitin nila sa entire podcast. So for example, ang sinend ko sa kanila na phrase ay the word basically. So kailangan yung word na basically, i-mention nila yun kung saan sa discussion. Like, alam mo, basically, ang pangit ng ganitong game. Kahit saan. Dapat masabi nila yon. Yung mole naman,
if hindi nasabi, if hindi nasabi,
siya, suspechado siya, di ba?
Sus. Alright.
Sus siya, di ba? So, sa mole, ang ibibigay ko sa mole is a kill phrase. So, what does the kill phrase mean? It's basically a phrase na sasabihin niya before he takes out his target. So, his target could be anyone, no? Anyone except me, syempre. Anyone sa crew, anyone dun sa tatlong kasama niya. So, for example, ako yung mole, ang kill phrase ko is the phrase, ganito kasi yun. Alright? So, pag sinabi ko, ganito kasi yun, Mike. So, ibig sabihin, next round, i-reveal ng host na eliminated na si Mike. Pwede pa rin siya magsalita, he's still part of the discussion, but then he's eliminated. Hindi na siya part ng Podcast Mafia. And then, syempre, we move on. So, kung yung crew, naka-decide na sila na feeling nila, ito talaga yung mole, this guy is the mole, they can do their final accusation. So, you can do one final accusation lang. And if you accuse someone, it has to be unanimous. So, kapag you accuse someone and then tama kayo, yung accused now, or if you accuse someone, yung accused has a chance to plead his case. Pwede niya defend himself, di ba? So after niya defend yung sarili niya, syempre mag-uusap ulit kayo and do one more final verdict. Kung sa final verdict nyo, tama kayo, nahuli nyo yung mole naman may chance to guess kung ano yung prompt na word. Now,
Alright.
If the mole guesses the prompt word right, then panalo yung mole. If he gets it wrong, panalo yung crew. Alright? And then kapag you accuse the wrong person, the mole wins. Yun lang yung goal ng mole. Again.
Okay, sige. GG. So, yung talo, iinom ng isang kutsara ng suka. Kapag nanalo yung mole, yung tatlo, iinom ng isang kutsara ng suka. On stream On stream.
Ngayon din.
Ngayon na din. Or gusto nyo next stream, walang problema.
Next stream. Para
prepared.
So, alright. So, I will now... Alright. Again, mamaya pa tayo magsa-start. I will give you the signal to start the game, but I will now send the prompts and the kill phrase to you guys via Facebook Messenger. Alright?
Then...
Ayan. So if you get the prompt word, you're a crew. If you get the kill phrase, you're a mole. Okay?
Right.
So, right. So, syempre, after ng mechanics, napakahaba. Syempre, isa na namang mahabang discussion. Let's move on to our Sega news of the week.
Yes!
Chino, take it away.
Take it away na daw si Chino.
In fairness talaga, napakaganda talaga ng prompt natin. Let's go kay Sega News. Marami Sega News to. Kaya abang-abangan lang. Of course, we have Sega News number 1. Persona 3 Reload. Of course, Sega is pleased to reveal that Persona 3 Reload, a modern remake of Atlus hit title Persona 3, will be released on multiple platforms in spring 2024. In addition to the previously announced Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Series X, XS, Xbox One, and Windows, the game will also be coming to the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 and Steam. Nakaka-excite talaga to. Totoo lang.
Naririnig ko na yung soundtrack eh.
Yeah,
Persona 3 is a pivotal game in the franchise that has since gone on to sell over 17 million copies worldwide. So,
yes!
Set in the gritty Shin Megami Tensei universe, Persona 3 has won critical acclaim for its funky designs, vocal soundtrack, stylish UI, and its revolutionary character growth system, which incorporated social interactions and adventure elements. The game helped redefine the series, becoming one of Atlus's most iconic RPGs. To be honest, Jazz, sobrang excited ako dito talaga. So, hindi ko nilaro yung port eh. So, eto. Dito
port
na
maganda din. Maganda din yung port actually dahil dun. Pili tayo niyan.
Second news number 1 is may bagong style ang Persona 5 ngayon, and it's called Persona 5 Tactica. The latest title in the Persona series, or basically the latest installment in the Persona 5 series, previously announced for Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Series XS, Xbox
God, it's
One,
so
and
cute.
Windows.
This is
Atlus'
a cute ass
newest
Persona.
installment in the Persona 5 franchise, Persona 5 Tactica, will also be coming to the PlayStation 4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, and Steam on November 17, 2023. Persona 5 is a picaresque coming-of-age RPG that follows a group of high school students who lead double lives. By night, they operate as a phantom thieves, an organization seeking out and reforming corrupt adults. The game has become a hit with fans worldwide, spawning a franchise that has sold over 9 million copies. Persona 5 Tactica is the latest installment in the series, with familiar battle features like one more and all-out attacks making a return. Enjoy engaging in coordinated strategic combat in this tactical RPG. Napaka-cute, napakaganda. Oh. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Grabe.
Cute.
Alright.
But I don't think they follow the main story din nung original Persona 5. I'm seeing a lot of new
I think
characters.
it's a different story now. It's a new story.
It reminds me of Persona Q for the DS. The same style, right? Like they're cheap,
Right.
new mechanics.
But honestly, to be honest lang, Josh, ako para sa akin, para I'm feeling some Final Fantasy 7 Tactics vibe sa style na to.
Oh, yeah,
Although,
definitely.
Ibang-iba talaga eh, no? Ibang-iba yung design of the characters. Pero that's something that we will be waiting for. And of course, meron pa tayo, the third news for Sega's announcement is ang Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth trailer. Napakabilis talaga ng RGG magtrabaho because during the Xbox Game Showcase, Sega released the latest trailer for Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth, a dramatic RPG featuring Ichiban Kasuga and Kazuma Kiryu as dual protagonists. Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth is scheduled to release in early 2024, PS4, PS5, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows, and Steam. And to be honest, totoo lang, Mike, ako parang gusto kong kumuha ng Xbox ngayon dahil lang dito. Ang cute ng puwet ni Kazuma Kiryu, di ba? Ibang-iba talaga.
Just with that ass.
That's Ichiban.
That for that ass. That's that ass. Look at that ass.
Man,
Pero again, dramatic style to. So medyo iba to sa
gumalaw din siya.
Grabe
yung dramatic.
Oy! Grabe naman talaga naman.
Bait!
No?
What a bait!
wow.
Ang galing
You could
lang.
say-
Magaling lang.
You could say Ichiban's stature is like a dragon.
Oh, yes.
Oy! Why not? No, why not?
A mighty dragon, yes. A large
Tangin
and
ng
mighty
tabon
dragon.
Tangin ng bait no?
Yeah, look at that.
Again, bibili ako ng Xbox just for that ass. All right, let's move on to our fourth and final Sega update, or Sega announcement. Of course, it is Metaphor Refantasio, Atlus' first full-scale fantasy RPG. Metaphor Refantasio is coming to Xbox Series XS and Windows in 2024. Metaphor Refantasio has been revealed as an official title of Project RE Fantasy, which had previously been announced by Atlus' Studio Zero. In tandem with the game's reveal, an official website along with the official announced trailer, a message from director Katsura Hashino, and the key visual has just been released today. Kung makikita nyo yung trailer na yun, napaganda. Very, very Persona style. Iba talaga si Atlus no? Na talagang preparing for this year. More information about Metaphor Refantasio will be released in the future. Just, guys, etong lahat na to, just follow Atlus Southeast Asia official Facebook for future updates. And that is your Sega announcement for tonight.
Yun.
Napakadami.
So much to look forward to.
Oh, ang
From
dami.
Sega.
But syempre, Chino, back to me. And syempre,
Back to
after
you.
yan, may news ulit. May
Oy!
news ulit. At pakadaming news
Ang
this
daming
week.
balita. Ang daming
And
good
syempre,
news.
ipapasa ko kay Mike yung Mike, saluin mo yung news.
Saluhin mo, Mike.
Sasabihin ko talaga itong news na to kasi this time around, it's gonna be for Razer Gold. So, Nasaan? Bigla akong naligaw. Ito, sa
Show
start
it to
natin
me!
yan. Ayan, I'll show it to you na. Oh, so, first off, the news for Razer Gold. The new games.
Yun, oh.
Get your game.
Damn, look at that.
New gear if
Ang
you log
ganda ng
on
controller.
Razer Silver. So, ang ano dito, may mga when you make payments kasi through Razer Gold, you earn Razer Silver. So, yung Razer Silver na yon is parang redeemable siya depende sa kung anong
Parang
material
tokens yan. No, tokens.
So, all you have to do is just go to gold.razer.com and look at the Razer Silver page to see what's inside. Ito yung mga bago nilang gear. So, para meron silang wireless headset, wireless earplugs, and then wireless mouse, and then obviously the green Xbox controller, among others. Siyempre, we move on to our next news. It is Genshin Impact this time with Razer Gold. So, you have you have until 4th of July
banner ulit.
to score 10% rebate when you on Genshin Impact Genesis Crystals. So
10%!
all you have to do is just
Grabe, laki naman nun.
malaki
Yung
talaga
rebate
yun.
na yun alone, malaki.
Oo. So all you have to do is make sure you go to Razer Gold and then recharge your Genesis Crystals using Razer Gold to get that 10% rebate. So also next is ito, medyo kakaiba to. It's PUBG Mobile naman. It's one for all for one. Ruleta ng bayan. It's during Independence Day and moving until the end of the month.
Right.
All you have to do is just go to the PUBG Mobile app and then you meron silang parang draw lots doon and makukuha mo kagad yung Razer Gold vouchers if you were able to get lucky. So all you have to do is download the PUBG Mobile. Next is ito nga, for Father's Day there is a limited edition Father's Day stickers for
Happy Father's Day, Lee.
All you have to do is just download go to the Razer Gold website and then redeem these stickers for only 100 Razer Silver. So I think this is until June 30th, 2023. So check out the Razer Gold Facebook page for more details. And finally, actually, dalawa pa pala to. The Shockpipe game server is still on until 30th of June. So kung
nag-spend ako ng Razer Silver to join this giveaway. I really wanted to get so, I wanted to get Sons of the Forest server para sa mga kaibigan ko. Para sa So, yeah. Kaya sumali ako sa giveaway. Malay mo naman, di ba? $500 din yan. Ilang taon din yan na server, di ba?
Uy, honestly, Judge, sana meron din ako.
Gagawan ko kayo ng server sa mga games nyo. Actually kasi, I think 5 USD ata yung 1 month for a server ng 8, like a maximum of 8 people. It's like $5. So, for sure, sobrang dami nito.
So, and all you have to do is just have 1,250 worth of Razer Silver, and then 3 lucky winners will get a $500 Shockbite gift card. And yun lang
malapit na ako dyan. I have like 500 Razer Silver. So, more.
Konti na lang. So, ang gagawin mo lang, go to recharge with Razer Gold and you get Razer Silver in return. And it's until June 30th. So, may chance pa si Nox makapag-reload. Using Razer. And finally, is the Community Meetup 2023, which is gonna happen on the 24th of June.
Pupunta ba tayo nito?
So, there's the Razer Isker giveaway. There's the other giveaways then. There's a casual tournament and then those goodie bags that Razer Gold is known for. Kung hindi din nakapunta doon sa mga events sila, you're missing a lot. And of course, there's the spin and win. A total of 100,000 pesos worth of prizes were given away. Ang dami nilang pera. Sabihin ko.
Pupunta tayo dito, di ba? Pupunta tayo dito. Gusto ko yung Razer na gaming chair.
The Razer Isker says a lot. So, yun. So, all you have to do
is headset.
Oh,
Oh God.
oo. Well, darating din yan. Kaya, guys, check out gold.razer.com and check out the following promotions and of course the Razer Gold Facebook page. Kasi, basta game load, it's Razer Gold.
Razer
Gold.
Razor Gold.
Okay, back to you, General.
Ayun, and now I would like to formally announce that Podcast Mafia is starting. Ayan, okay. Simulan na natin ang Podcast Mafia. Tapos na yung news, tapos na lahat ng announcements. And now let's go to our main topic. Ayan, and syempre, we are gonna talk about the Summer Game Fest that's happened a few weeks ago. This is supposed to be our topic last week, pero medyo kailangan naming ihabol yung Conquest news. But then, eto na. Summer Game Fest. Now, okay, I would like to ask everyone here. Simulan natin dito kay simulan natin dito kay Trickster kasi I think Trickster is the one who's most engaged into this dun mismo sa Summer Game Fest. Trickster, basically what is Summer Game Fest and how did it become to be? You know, bakit may Summer Game Fest na? And then ano ba yung demand? Something like that.
Well, with the fall of E3 lately, after the whole pandemic thing, it's basically our second refuge for video game news relating, well, aside from video games, mostly video games, DLC, and the upcoming news and patch about the video games. E3's shine was not only video games; it also introduced their hardware specs, but it's not really Summer Game Fest per se now. What we're going to discuss because
Right.
every publisher, not every publisher, a lot of publishers have their own showcases to show nowadays. So after E3 went bye, it became a lot busier for everyone wanting announcements. It came from Ubisoft, from Capcom, Square. So anyone who's looking forward to their new games, you should watch I guess we can kind of call it the Summer Game Fest because the entire week, full of games. But definitely fun for everyone all around, from your AAA people and your indies, which there's so many to cover.
Sorry, kasi I was really, really busy. So to be honest, Trix, medyo wala akong napanood. Ang napanood ko lang mga ilan-ilan lang.
I don't blame
So
you.
please
Since
guide me.
parehas tayo. Since ako nawalan ng method ng pampanood. I was just catching up.
Okay. So, after Trickster, Chino, I think we'll have to skip you kasi inamin mo naman na wala ka napanood. Charlie.
Actually, meron naman, pero konti lang.
Konti lang.
Kasi from our list, ang dami kasi. Nagulat ako eh.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
ikaw Charlie, kasi next to Trickster, I think you're the other person who's really engaged into this. Same question lang din. What do you think was the main reason bakit nagkaroon ng Summer Game Fest? Tapos enough ba siya to fill in the shoes of E3? Ganun. Hindi ka namin marinig, Palits.
Ayan, sorry.
Yeah.
Nakamute pala ako. So, with the recent years when E3 was happening and all the controversy and scandals that happened on E3, I think it's expected na magkakaroon ng bago or something new because it has been declining. Their viewers has been declining, their visitors has been declining. Because parang hindi na kasi siya about games eh. Most of the time when, the previous years, it was more of just a show. It wasn't even a game showcase. It was a show about the company, to
We
boast
weren't
the
even
company.
seeing new tech, diba?
Exactly. Exactly. But before, the essence of E3 was to promote their new technology, to promote the new style of work that they are doing,
Right.
which basically was gone after what? The second year basically, and then everything after that was just a clown show basically. Whenever I watch E3, I just wait for Nintendo. Like that's the only thing that I wait for the Nintendo announcement, because they're the only ones who actually focuses on their games, instead of putting out this big show with this with this artist, with this guy and with this guy. um I'm happy that they canceled E3, because now it gives studios or creators a bigger platform wherein people just know, okay, I need to wait for this company. They're gonna come out with this trailer. They don't need to wait for E3 anymore, and
Yeah.
that gives a much at least more time for developers to create their games, instead of having a deadline set just for
Right.
E3, because usually that's how the issue goes,
Mm.
right? Like tons of developers announce, well, we're gonna come out with this game because it's E3. They have to come out with a game, say when it will come out, even though it's not even ready. So that's the pressure that they get. So now that E3 is gone, Summer Game Festival is on. I love the concept. We've seen tons of games. I've watched a few that I'm really really interested in, like Star Wars Outlaws. That I'm really interested in that. Alan Wake 2,
Oh yeah.
those kind of games I'm really interested in. And when I saw the trailers, that gave me hope for the gaming community, because now we're not waiting on big show or big platform to give us the news, wherein they just give out like 7 games from one company. Now everyone can fucking do it, and you know everyone can
Definitely.
enjoy the shit.
Alright.
That's it.
So, Mike, kanina pa kita nakikita nagre-react. Ayan. I think you have a lot of stuff to say as well.
Um,
Given that, ano mo, pinag-usapan din natin to like last week and then yesterday as well. So, para sa'yo, like, ano yung parang, if you are a person, na parang a random person in the US, right? Na has the option. For example, nagsabay si E3 at Summer Game Fest. No, which
Oo.
event would you possibly go to?
Kung I mean, sorry, pagka yung mga yan, may events na yan, you mean? Ngayon kasi I've seen the progression ng E3 simula nung nagkaroon ako ng sa content creation, no? And I've seen the decline. So E3 is not na anymore. So kung ako bibigyan ako ng opportunity, I'd go to the event ng Summer Game Fest. Pero kung may specific ako na pupuntahan, it's definitely kung naka-live sila, it's Ubisoft.
Ubisoft.
Kasi I mean, I've been following their games lalo na nung nakita ko dun sa Epic Games Store nila yung Prince of Persia, Sands of Time na hindi pa nila nire-release. Why? Ubisoft. Tapos nakita ko tong Prince of Persia na to na bago. I got
The side scroller.
Oo, the side scroller.
Crap! The crap! The crap!
Tapos yung The Division Resurgence was also mentioned. I signed up for the beta. Nakita ko yung impact ng for mobile gamers naman kasi that's the Division for mobile. Yun.
Alright. So, yeah, basically everyone has a lot of opinions. I think nabasa ko din dito from Shinji Hojo. E3 had a lot of problems already since 2019. Yeah, pandemic tanked the rep. Yeah, pandemic talaga yung kailangan sisihin dito, especially the behind the scenes problem. And I think I think for me, honestly, problems din ng E3 started when they opened the event for everyone. It became a convention, 'di ba? From like a business to business standpoint, naging business to consumer sila eh. Naging naging ESGS or conquest na sila, 'di ba? Instead of like all industry professionals coming together, showing their stuff, it's like now the business professionals are flexing na lang, 'di ba? Like sinabi ni Charlie, 'di ba? Na parang ito dito kayo, dito panood dito, 'di ba? Parang ganun. So, nawala yung essence ng pagiging E3, nawala yung essence ng actually being invited to E3. Diba? Parang
Yes.
big deal dati yun na parang pag
Right.
na-invite ka sa
Very
E3,
much. Very much.
parang
Yeah,
isa ka na
because
sa mga
now
parang
basically
top tier,
it's 'di ba parang recently it became paid. So you need
Oh,
to
paid,
pay
yeah.
the organizers to be part of the E3 event, which is like
Which is
Who-
weird.
which is
Yeah.
really weird. Kasi parang naging advertising event na siya eh. It didn't become a showcase, it became more of an advertising event wherein you pay us, we will give you time slots for the live stream, and then for this we will give you the space to do all the show, which doesn't make sense. It doesn't benefit gamers. It's
Yeah.
just a clown show for me. E3 became a clown show after pandemic. So yeah.
True. So everyone had their fill. Everyone gave their opinions. But before we proceed to the next topic, I would like to reveal that the mole has eliminated Trickster.
Damn it!
Wow. Wow. That's
The
quick.
mole has eliminated Trickster during the discussion.
Kinabahan ako, kala ko ako eh.
Wow. Wala
And yeah,
ata
I
ako
would
nung
like-
na-eliminate.
I would like to ask the crew, meron ba kayong suspecha? Do you wanna accuse anyone, or do you wanna argue with everyone, or tuloy natin yung topics?
Ako may accusation ako.
Ano, sino?
Pero
Okay.
pwede bang itago ko na mamaya? Mamaya, basta, mamaya na lang. Titimpla ko
Anyone,
pala eh.
anyone. Again, they eliminated Trickster during the discussion. I would like to
Wow.
ask everyone to listen to what everyone is saying.
Wow. Hindi ko,
Kayo,
hindi ko-
Mike,
hindi ko napansin
Palit.
yun ah. No. I don't even know. Iniisip ko ngayon kung sino nagsabi ng pangalan ni Trickster earlier.
You wouldn't notice it. That's the fun part. We were talking and we were so immersed with the topic. Definitely, Charlie, you'll figure out. You won't notice.
Oh! Okay.
So everyone else, merong like I've heard everyone, the crew, kung sino man mentioned the phrase, but yeah, kayo, kung meron ba kayong suspecha na may hindi nagsabi ng phrase, may suspecha ba kayo na kayong bahala, or we will proceed to the next topic if you want.
Should I? Should I try? Pagka mali
Ako rin
ako,
eh, meron din ako eh.
pagka mali ako, I'm eliminated, right? Kaso
No, pag
dalawa na lang matitira eh.
Oh, dalawa na lang matitira. So basically pag nagkamali ka, panalo na yung mole. Kasi 1v1
Okay,
na lang.
let's go to the next topic.
Yeah.
Make it a little bit
Ayan.
longer.
Good job,
Para-
Charlie.
Let's make it a little bit
Para
longer. All right.
little bit longer.
Right.
Let's
Ako
marinate.
meron din ako eh.
Marinate the mole. I think
Alright.
I know who the mole is. Let's marinate this.
Okay.
Don't worry, Trickster,
Okay.
you're still part of the
Wow.
discussion.
It's
Again,
fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Picture, pahinga na
I
lang.
have a
yan.
suspicion as well.
in the middle of the discussion, kapag alam mo yun, hindi nyo na kailangan hintayin yung next topic. Kapag na-gets nyo na or may suspecha na kayo, you can basically tell me na lang. Okay?
Okay.
So again, all right. Now let's move on. The game announcements. Ito yung pinakahihintay ng lahat. Now I would like to ask everyone, let's start with the good.
Oh, yeah.
The good games.
Ayan, let's do
go
that.
with
That's
let's do
subjective.
good, bad,
Everyone
ugly. Okay?
Okay.
Let's do good,
Okay.
bad, ugly. Okay? Let's start with the good. Para syempre naman, simulan natin ng masaya to.
Oh, that's weird.
For you guys,
Okay.
like,
You're going that
games,
Okay.
that, ito para games that actually made your expectations, or like, yung mga games na ina-expect nyong i-feature ay, nailabas, or games that you're actually excited about. Ayan. So, all right. Let's begin with
Wait.
kasi
What?
si Notch what?
What was that? So, games expectations. What else?
Games that you're excited about.
Okay.
So like lumabas, like na-hype ka. So let's start with Chino kasi may napanood siyang konti, and based dun sa napanood mong konti, ano yung parang inaabangan mo, ano yung parang na-meet yung expectations mo sa trailer, ganon. Palagay mo.
Prince of Persia. Dalawa lang. Definitely, Spider-Man 2. Definitely Spider-Man.
Yeah.
I was a big Spider-Man fan nung lumabas siya sa PS4. Dalawang beses ko sa sunod-sunod tinapos. medyo nabaduhin lang ako sa Miles Morales eh. Pero I mean, nung napanood ko yung trailer ng Spider-Man 2, plus nakita ko yung Venom costume, although na-disappoint ako ng konti sa Venom costume eh. To be honest. Pero wala eh. Still, excited pa rin ako dito.
Yeah.
All right. So let's move to Charlie. Ikaw.
Definitely Star Wars, the Outlaws. So that's basically big fan of Star Wars franchise. I love what they did with the Mandalorian and everything. This is a new avenue for them to explore. Yung newly released na Star Wars game I haven't played, but I'm excited with the Outlaws with what I saw on the trailer. Generally, I'm really interested on how the story progression will go on this one. Kasi yung sa bagong Star Wars, parang madaming Easter eggs. There was even some scenes na I've watched reviews before by Star Wars games because I've been baited with different Star Wars games before na nonsense Star Wars games, and yet you buy it just because it's Star Wars, because you're a Star Wars fan. Go ahead.
Question only.
Ah.
Ano ba yung gameplay ng Star Wars Outlaws ngayon? Is it similar to
Can you show Mike para makita ng lahat?
Okay. So
To summarize, while he's still looking for the footage, it's basically, well, from what I've seen, it's like Red Dead Star Wars but without killing the animals.
talagang stinik mo talaga yun.
Red Dead Star Wars?
Yeah.
It's kind of
like that. Kasi you can be as much of an asshole as you want to the Empire. Minus killing the animals.
Right. Because we've been asking in the, with the Star Wars fan, what is the perspective of the bounty hunters? What is the perspective, of Han Solo, like the guys who are like basically like living in the gray area of things. Like they don't care about the law, they don't care about the bad things. So that's a fresh perspective. You're not an antagonist, you're not a truly bad guy, you're not a good guy.
Jedi
exactly.
Force.
Yes.
Mechanics.
So it's a refreshing take on the Star Wars franchise. Yeah.
Sabi ni
I love
Shina,
it.
it's an ARPG open zone.
To add to what
And-
Charlie said, I just no hate on the character, but I just wish this was just Han and Chewie adventures.
Yeah.
It's my only
Basically, it is.
disappointment. Like even like I want something in between episode 3 and 4. Like how Han Solo became infamous. But ever since Solo was a thing, the mystery was lessened for some reason.
Right.
It just didn't hit right with me. I just want them to do Han and Chewie adventures. But
Yeah,
maybe-
we need that. We actually need that part. Even the Han Solo movie. Sorry to the
Yeah.
fans, but I didn't like it. It doesn't feel like it's a Han Solo movie at all.
Ako, to be honestly, di ako masyado naglalaro ng Star Wars. Di ako mahilig sa sci-fi masyado. Although,
Right.
naging ko yung Starfield, no? And Mass Effect, I like it. Pero parang gusto ko siya kasi nga sabi mo nga, it's a fresh take. Diba? It's a fresh perspective of an old story.
Right.
Which is something that's very different. Wala siya,
Yeah,
hindi siya Jedi, hindi siya
Right.
rebel.
Yeah,
we could have had the bounty hunter, but you could have had the Mandalorian game, but they canceled it.
Right.
We got this instead. It's
not bad.
It's
not bad.
it's a consolation prize. It's
Yeah.
fine.
It's
I'm
still
gonna look- I'm
it's
gonna
still
watch out for it.
interesting because
I'm gonna watch out for it.
I think they would touch some parts of the main story of the the Jedi universe, the Force and everything. Of course, it will always be part. But seeing how they are showing off the universe in its entirety without the good and the bad, or the light and the
The
Force.
usual parts of the story, right?
That
Ang worry
makes
ko lang
it
is
a whole lot
Ubisoft,
better
eh.
for me.
Right,
as
right,
always.
right.
They're their worst enemy. They usually ruin themselves. So, but I'm really hoping this will be a good one.
Let's see. Yeah.
And
Okay.
may tanong nga dito.
So, yeah, Mike.
Teka, Charlie. May tanong dito. Do you read the Marvel Star Wars?
Oh no, I don't read. I usually play games and watch TV. Whenever I do have some comic books, like some key issues ng Star Wars that I really just wanted to have and read. But most of the time, I don't read a lot. Chino has been pushing me to read comic books. He sent me links.
Pinapadala
Even
ko yan.
Sandman and all this. I just really don't have
Invincible.
time. Yeah, I just really don't have the time. I watch, like, I read a few chapters and then it just, I just forget
Sayang
about
naman
it.
yung collection ng Spawn mo.
Buti nga.
No, with Spawn, I'm still reading Spawn because the thing, it's off topic, but Spawn for me is just really interesting. I'm really happy with the art style of Spawn. That's why it gets me interested all around. Dark,
That's true.
Buti nga yung nire-recommend sa'yo kompleto eh. At least it's a complete book or an art. Yung mga binabasa ko hindi pa translated. I'm still waiting. It's getting to the point that I am considering learning Japanese just
Manga ba yan?
Yes.
Which manga?
High Score Girl Dash. I have been wanting to read the latest chapters. Like the Brazilians have gotten to chapter 34 already while we're still at chapter 23. Like, why? Come on.
Before I was reading heavily, I was heavy on manga. Even I don't like watching anime. That's a hot take. I don't usually watch anime.
That's fine. Let's save the hot takes for a different episode.
Yeah.
Yan. Kasi alam ko, mas madami-daming hot takes si Charlie.
Then the rest of
Sobrang
us.
dami.
Yes, sobrang dami. But then, ito, Mike, kasi I think si Mike na hindi pa nung answer niya. Mike, let us know yung mga games that you're excited about that has been released or games that you expected to be released na lumabas talaga sa showcase.
Okay, I did not expect that Sonic Superstars to be released. So, nung nakita ko siya, kasi intro kagaya nito, I've seen, pinapakita ko sa video the 8-bit and
Man, sobrang gusto ko yan.
at saka meron silang dyan, sino ba to? There's an Easter egg dun sa umpisa ng video na yun. Kaya nagulat ako, sabi ko, I have not seen this character in a while.
Fucking
sabi ko,
Rose.
ha?
Amy?
No. Eto, pangalawa, kaya ko gusto tong Sonic Superstars na to kasi 4 sila. Imagine mo, you can now play 4 players. But normally Sonic plays 1 player.
Yeah. First yan.
Sonic 2. Parang si Tails parang backup lang. Wala naman siya, pwedeng hindi siya maglaro, pwedeng hindi.
Alright.
Pero ito, you can play with 4 players in an adventure na all of you can enjoy. So,
Mhm.
They can turn into squids.
Yes. I was so happy when we announced this, actually.
Di ba octopus yun?
Jellyfish.
Octopus.
Iniisip ko
They only have 4 legs.
Well, anyway, yun. Yan. Nung nag-start yung Summer Game Fest, nakita ko yung Prince of Persia as a person who grew up with the green screen and green screen sa computer, na nakita yung Prince of Persia na yun, kahit pa paano naman, anong tawag mo doon? Na-excite naman ako kahit pa paano doon. Kasi, sorry.
Grabe, alam mo, after Sonic, tangina, you're showing that crap again. After Sonic Frontiers, to be honest, Mike, after Sonic Frontiers, so
Okay na sana.
ako dun sa Sonic Superstars talaga. Kasi parang, it's isa pa yun, fresh new take. Actually, isa yan sa mga napanood kong trailers. Inabangan ko talaga yan. And I really love the style of it, yung bagong style, and how you can play as Amy, Tails, and Knuckles.
Oh, I know what you mean now. Okay. I
Ganito.
haven't seen that
Alright.
character in a while then.
Yeah, it's really interesting, and I hope with the 4-player mechanic, there is an additional difficulty like mechanic na if you're
Right,
doing the
right.
boss fight, you can hurt your friend. Like it makes it more difficult to move around. Parang
Oh, yeah.
it will be too easy with 4 players and then one boss. It
Oh
will
no,
be too
we
quick.
know it's going to be hard. You know why? Everyone has rebound when they hit the wall.
I mean, like this part, right? Like they're facing through each other. I hope it doesn't happen on boss fights. I hope they're like solid objects that, parang nagkakabanggaan sila so someone can get hit by the boss. Because I think
It's
that
actually
would be
too early to
Ah.
tell eh. Hindi
Yeah.
na pinapakita kung paano yung
I hope
mechanics.
they
mean,
I really
let's
hope
see
they
them.
do that.
Yeah, I hope Sega gives us codes for this so we can play together,
Oh.
Sega,
This
baka
is so
naman.
fun.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sega baka naman.
I know
Right.
the new generation of gamers who are all for graphics and all that shit won't like this kind of game, but this just hits the nostalgia spot for me. Like
Yeah.
when
I think
I
for
saw this
everyone,
last
yeah.
time, when I saw this last time on our Sega News, I was so happy. Like finally a refresh on the Sonic game.
Okay.
All right.
Teka, Tristan, you mentioned who's that guy? That's Fang the Sniper.
Mm.
It's a character in the
But mas alam ni Mike. But alam ni Mike.
So, tapos ang nakakatawa pa dito, nagpakita siya dito sa umpisa. Hindi lang napansin nung lahat. Ayan,
Oh,
nagpakita
okay.
siya dyan sa may lord.
Ako nga,
Oh, ang galing.
So,
Hindi ko napansin yun ah.
tapos, eto nga, natatawa ako kasi ngayon ko lang narinig ulit yung boses niya. Na tatawa pa siya.
Like, so it's been a while since you played Sonic Triple Trouble, you know.
Yeah.
That's why you know him.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay. Before we proceed to we're done with the good. Now, we'll proceed to the bad. But before we proceed to the bad, I would like to inform everyone that the mole took all of the crew members. The mole
what
took
the hell?
everyone out.
So si Chino, it's you.
Yeah.
Now, do you
I
think
knew it.
I'm giving you guys a chance to, just figure sino palagay niyo
It's
sino.
Chino. It's Chino.
Ano?
It's Chino. Chino is the
Chino
mole.
ba? Mike.
Patay din ako eh.
You're dead. It was Mike.
Sino ka?
Bakit
Sino?
ako?
Sino?
Chino for me. Chino.
Trickster, sino
Ay, hindi.
sa'yo? Sinong ninakasan
Alam
mo?
ko na. Parang feeling ko. Para just
Again.
to lang. I feel it's
Ja-
Ako si Lee.
Ikaw, Trickster.
For
Chino.
me, I thought I thought it was Sheena, but if everyone's eliminated, I don't know anymore.
Pero sino? Palagay niyo sino? Sino?
wait. Do the
Okay,
does the
Ako
The
si
mole
Mike
already
na,
wins.
si Mike.
The mole
Parang si
already
Mike
won.
na- si Mike na ata
I'm just
hindi
giving you
The
a
eliminated.
mole
chance
already
to
won.
guess.
Panalo na yung
Oh.
mole. Panalo na yung mole. But I think
Si
it's
Mike na ata.
Sino? Palagay niyo sino?
Ako si Mike.
Chino.
Chino.
for me.
Chino.
Chino.
Dalawang Chino, isang Mike. Alright, so I want the crew members to say the prompt word in 3, 2, 1.
Definitely.
definitely.
I was
knew
correct. I knew. As
knew
as soon as I was eliminated, I knew what went wrong.
Nagpapakiramdaman pa kami ni Lee. Sabi ko.
Right? Pinapakiramdaman ko siya eh.
Sinabi
Sinabi niya yung prompt word earlier.
Hindi ko na kaya
Before we
matapos
started
yung topic,
the new
no?
topic.
It's wordplay, man.
Jesus Christ! Hindi ko
Alright.
napansin
So,
sinabi niya yung pangalan ko
anong-
ni Notch.
Anong word?
Galing!
Anong word ni Chino? Anong phrase ni
Demonious ka
Chino?
talaga. Masama
To be
kang
honest.
tao.
Ayan, yung phrase ni Chino was to be honest. So, to be
Yan
honest,
ang sabi ko
sir.
din.
To be honest, Mike. To be honestly. Ganun. Alright.
Hindi nyo na
Wow.
mapansin, gumagamit din ako ng
Next round.
honestly.
Nung inano ko,
Next round. Ayan.
Nung nakita ko na binanggit niya yung pangalan ko, parang sabi ko, shit, parang si Chino. Ay!
Alright.
Wala,
So,
wala.
we'll moving to the next round. I sent your roles already. I sent prompts to the crew. I sent a kill phrase to the mole. Okay?
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
All right. So, next topic. We're done with the good. Let's move to the
Bakit
bad.
ako ulit?
Walang ganyanan, Chino. So, let's move to the bad. Okay? So, bad doesn't necessarily mean bad na, you hate it. It's just
Right.
bad
Looks
na
bad
it's
lang.
It looks bad. It's underwhelming and basically para siyang it misses a lot of points. Like
Right.
ba't pa nila pinakita to? 'Di ba? Parang ganun.
Right.
So like there's no reason why ipakita nila to. Ganun. Let's go
Right.
with the bad. Now let's start with Chino.
Oh, ako talaga definitely yung Prince of Persia. I was waiting for Sands of Time.
Right.
Diba?
Yeah,
Sabi nila na i-remake nila yan completely. Pero I was waiting for it. And then, sabi ko, what the F is this shit? The Lost Times, ano yun?
The Lost Crown. The Lost Crown. The Lost.
The Lost Crown.
Crap. Lost Crap.
The Lost
Okay, sorry.
Crap. The Lost Crap.
Ano ba? Naguluhan na ako.
Like, to
The
be
Lost
fair,
Crown.
like to be fair, it's not the one that we're expecting, but at the very least, it looks cool to play. That's the like it may not be the Prince, but it looks cool to play, I guess.
Well, ako, tricks so to lang. I might give it a try, just for the sake of it. It is Prince of Persia. But
Alright.
I won't promise to like it.
Remind ko lang lahat I sent your roles via DM on Facebook already. So
Okay.
we started the round already. Just wala pa kasi nag-scene. Kaya kailangan i-scene nyo para alam kong you're all on board with this shit.
No, it's fine.
Alright.
Naka-altab ako.
Right. Got it.
All right. So next, Charlie, what's the bad for you?
Well, yung he already said one of the really really bad ones. I mean, ever since the last PS2 game for Prince of Persia, they completely missed out on this big opportunity like Assassin's Creed because basically they're Assassin's Creed on a really good setting. They have a really good history to follow through. The history of
Right.
Persia is so big and so massive that they can and they missed out on that. And I hate that they made it into, 2D like scroller game.
It's a
I mean-
woke game. Tapos
It,
yung buhok niya.
it just sucks, man. Like when I saw that trailer, I said, like, who would buy that game? Like seriously, who would even? Why do we need it? We don't need it. Like those kind of games, you expect that from, indie developers.
I
Those
don't
kind of
necessarily agree since Prince of Persia started as a 2D game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonky one at that.
Yeah.
I
But
Started.
I think
but
ako
in a
nagigets
sense-
ko yung sinasabi ni Lee.
in a Metroidvania setting, I think it's fine as a spin-off. That doesn't necessarily mean it's the main game, but
Right.
I guess
Yeah.
it's our consolation prize while we wait for an actual Prince of
Gets ko
Persia.
yun. Gets ko yun.
I mean,
Kasi,
I'm not dismissing the fact that they started with 2D, but they changed it. They changed they created this 3D. What was the last game na 3D?
Warrior Within, I think.
Yeah, Warrior Within, which was okay. It was fine.
Which is
It
a good
wasn't
game,
that
right?
bad.
After that, they went back to 2D. Like, I don't know
Yeah.
why.
I actually enjoyed the Warrior Within game on the PS2, and it was fun. And that's something that they should have continued because right now with everything that's happening on graphics guys, especially with Sony guys, usually Sony guys will play this game, so they wouldn't want to play that 2D game. We already
Ako,
have
yung-
tons of Metroidvania.
yung
genre.
2D isn't really the issue for me. Hindi yun yung issue.
Mm.
It's the issue is really yung how it looks. Yung
Right.
sabi mo lang, I mean,
just looks
there are plenty of great indie games out there. Pero
you know
if
what?
you're going
You know what
to
it reminded me
compare it
of
with
when
that,
I saw that?
hirap eh.
Yeah, you know what it
Ah,
reminded
go,
me
go.
of? It reminded me of League of Legends.
Yeah, I was just gonna
Oh,
say
the games. Oh,
Yeah.
yung
The
setting
graphics,
sa Philippines.
no, even the cinematic graphics looks like Valorant.
Right? Right?
Yeah,
It
it's
looks
like
like
a Riot
Valorant.
esque,
It's one of the maps in Valorant. Like, oh wait,
I
is this Valorant?
even the
Si John Wick
skin,
nga, kamukha ni John Wick. Si, ano nga, Alan Wake, kamukha ni John Wick.
Why not? We need a John Wick game. We need a John Wick game.
There
even
is.
the
Honestly.
even the character
But it
designs
sucks.
look like they're from League, right? Yeah.
Hex sucks.
Okay.
Another game is Star Trek Infinite. They didn't show much. Like, what's with all the hype of the Star Trek Infinite game? Like,
I don't
they
even
didn't
know what
even
it's
show.
supposed to be.
Exactly.
Isa lang,
It was a
huy,
cine-
isa lang daw.
you can't even consider it as a cinematic trailer because there was nothing. The fleet just passed by and that's it. Like, well, what is that for? It's not.
Oh,
It's
like
not
someone
even
walking
close to a
around
teaser.
you.
Like, there was
Parang
nothing
yung Elder
to it.
Scrolls 6, no? Elder Scrolls 6, pinakita lang yung mountains. Tapos Elder Scrolls. Tapos done.
I mean, with the Elder Scrolls, like the God of War teaser, you understand immediately. But Star Trek doesn't have
It's
that
just-
kind of game library to do that kind of teaser na people will immediately understand. Like, this will be the kind of game it is. It's yeah. So it was weird. Like,
Okay.
it wasn't a showcase at all.
Alright, Trickster, para sa'yo. I mean, Palitz and Notch gave pretty good points. Para sa'yo naman, the bad.
Okay. One of my hot takes. One of my bads is a hot take. It's a very hot take. But first one is I'm just kind of disappointed they didn't show any footage of Dragon's Dogma. I mean, I guess they did like
Mhm.
way back before, but
Oh, man.
they just said they were working on it. I mean, I guess
Mhm.
fine, but it's off. At least that news was offset by a new game that they're working on that looks cool.
Mhm.
The Path of the Goddess, that looks cool. So that at least eases my disappointment of the Dragon's Dogma news.
Right.
The other one, and this is a very hot take for me. I
Ito.
don't think Mortal Kombat 1 very improved that much from Mortal Kombat 11.
11.
It looks like Mortal Kombat 11. It moves
Right.
like Mortal Kombat 11. They just added strikers to it, like from KOF 2099. Oh, that's
Right.
innovative. Okay, it was done like 20 years ago. And like the graphics, fine. Like it's come to the point that we are looking at high fidelity normal people. Which I did not recognize Johnny Cage when I first saw him. This looks
Teka,
like a normal
Pati si Raiden. Pati si Raiden. Hindi mo akala ko si Kung Lao siya.
Yeah, like at least Kitana and Melina still looks good, but they still look like normal people. The only thing that stands out to them is their color palettes.
Mhm.
Fucking,
Teka, Trickster.
Ako, honestly, gusto ko yung gusto ko yung style ni Scorpion this time around. Sa younger Scorpion.
Younger
and
Scorpion.
at least they're using Pihan now. It's been so long since
Right.
Pihan became Sub-Zero himself.
Mhm.
But I just don't know about Mortal Kombat. Okay, you're resetting the timeline again with the same
Why? Walang reason eh.
With the same
They don't
characters.
give any reasons.
this is the same character. This Kung Lao. Raiden is now a Shaolin monk now for some weird reason with lightning powers. What kind of a monk has lightning powers? At least I can understand. At least I can understand the fire because dragons and shit.
Mhm.
But lightning, maybe it's for the elements. But if Raiden's mortal, what happens to Fujin? That was his fucking brother. Right? And then, okay.
Tricks,
Yeah.
masyado ka na maraming iniisip.
Oh, tubig.
Mamaya na ulit. Mamaya na, may ugly pa tayo guys. May ugly pa tayo. Good,
Right.
bad
Okay.
pa lang to.
Okay.
Bad pa lang, guys.
Bad pa lang. Save the hate train for the ugly, guys.
It,
All right.
it looks fine, but it's still just it's basically just an updated Mortal Kombat 11. Why not? Why can't we get to the Great Kung Lao? Just actual
Right.
new characters.
Why
Let
not
go
go with
of-
a great Mortal Kombat 2021 Cole Gang, right? Diba? So,
Oh, that's a possibility.
Let's not
you know?
do that. Why not? Let's not do that and avoid it altogether.
That's a possibility
Alright.
now. So, with the timeline shenanigans. Remember, those timelines that we saw Raiden and Liu Kang fighting each other, those are canon. MK versus DC is canon. So, so anything
There's
is
Scorpion.
possible. Yeah, there's your
yeah,
Scorpion
that's
right
Scorpion.
Yeah.
there. Look,
I-stress
they
daw natin si
almost
Trix.
look alike.
Shinji, hindi namin siya ini-stress. The games, the trailer stresses him out.
Stress him out. Sige, para hindi na masyado ma-stress si Trickster, let's move on to Mike. Mike,
I'll be completely honest with you guys when I'm going to say this kasi I'm an avid fan of vehicles and all. Pero the crew,
Vehicles?
any sort of vehicles, particularly cars kasi I'm a gearhead. The Crew Motorfest is something na hindi umano yung appeal sa akin kasi I played the Crew 2.
yeah.
Yung
Same.
magsiswitch ka ng out of nowhere, magsiswitch ka ng sasakyan na like from a car to an airplane to a motorcycle. What the hell is that? Bakit kailangan mo ng
Like,
ganong
ito,
klaseng transition?
Crew 2, nag-road trip kami ng mga tropa ko as like a four-player crew from east to west coast. Took us like 2 hours.
Well,
Yeah.
it's the West Coast.
That's how big the map nung the Crew 2 was. And yeah, I think I totally agree with Mike. Like the Crew kind of became like at first it's like a Forza Gran Turismo na competitor.
Open
So, I
world.
completely,
Parang ganun yung dating,
yeah.
di ba?
From that to a completely like new setup. It's weird. Like I love like stick to cars. Come on, stick to
Right.
Anything else, Mike?
Hindi, yun muna sa akin.
Oh,
All right, we're done with the bad. I would like to announce that no one was taken
No one.
out. No one
Oh,
was taken
okay.
Of
out.
course.
Wow.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, Trickster. Of course.
Sobrang bait nung mole natin. All right, for this round. For
Alam
this
ba niya na
topic.
siya yung ano? Alam niya ba
Alam ko
siya
lang
yung...
kung sino. Alam ko lang kung sino.
I don't know. Na-scene niya naman ata. Yeah, na-scene naman ng mole.
Alam ko lang kung sino.
All right.
Sige.
Really? Like, sige. Sino?
Ako. Ang tansya ko si Mike yan.
For real.
why? What?
Why?
Tansya ko si Mike. Kasi one is, pinag-iisipan niya kung paano niya ipapasok yung word. Pinapakinggan ko lahat eh. No one except for
yung
me.
mole ba may prompt word din or kill
Meron.
Yeah.
Oh,
No
Yung kay
one
Chino
except for
kanina,
me.
di ba?
Oo.
Yung kay Chino,
Sa
no one
topic na
except
to.
for him, di ba? So,
Oo.
ngayon, sa topic na to, everyone got a word, a prompt word, and then the killer will get a kill phrase.
Oo.
So, no one
Ako
mentioned
sa topic na to, ako lang
Sa part
ang
na-
nagsabi ng pangalan. Pangalan ni Trickster, for example. Except for now. Na sinabi ni Mike.
But
Okay.
You know
again,
what?
no
Ako-
one
ako
was
sa
taken
Mike
out.
You have a point.
I'm not sure.
When he
I'm not
was
sure.
Pero
when
the round ended eh. The round ended eh. So you can't basically kill him.
yeah.
Oh.
So parang
you
we're
have
safe
a point
na.
because he was trying to interrupt me while I was doing my rant over there.
Diba?
What? Am I not
So
supposed to interrupt you? Painumin kitang tubig or something? Ito
He's not
kasi.
even defending himself, you know?
Eh, ikaw, so we got two mics. Ikaw, Charlie, do you accuse Mike or do you want to move on to the next topic? The last topic.
I'll move on first. Since there's still
Yeah.
3 crews, I don't think we need to
Charlie.
vote out
Are you sure?
vote.
Alright.
Di ba pwede naman tayong
Notch.
mag-call out in the middle?
In the middle, yeah. You can
Yeah,
call
we
out
can
the-
call
you
out
call
someone in the
anytime
middle.
Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Di ko-
Pwede,
Yes, I
pwede.
think I have someone in mind.
Pero
But I
aantayin
just
mo
want to verify.
aantayin mo may eliminate pa siya. May
Yes,
eliminate
there's
siya,
3
ganun.
of us. Guys, you haven't played Among Us? What is this? We have the advantage. We don't need to make the mistake of voting out someone.
Of course.
Ako, I played
Alright.
Among Us. Pinatay ko nga kayong 3 sabay-sabay.
Alright,
Hindi,
so we're moving to the next round.
we knew it. We just prolonged it for the show. We just
We
gave you
knew
the
it,
chance.
but it was too late.
Because if we called you out early, then tapos na agad yung game, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Alam ko na eh. Alam ko nang ikaw eh.
Alright. Okay, so let's move.
Balato
moving
yung
on to the
balato.
next round. Wala pa. Move on tayo next round. Is that
Okay.
Yes.
that's what you guys are
It's fine,
saying?
fine,
Alright. So,
Sige,
moving on
sige,
to the
go.
next round. Now let's do ugly. So this now yung mga hate train kanina, now put it up, like step it up a notch. Because I'm gonna start with just Hoyoverse. I'm gonna start with Hoyoverse. I mean, Hoyoverse I have all the love for Hoyoverse. I love Genshin and I love Star Rail. But they announced that Star Rail is coming to PlayStation. Okay? I mean, I have no problem with that. But Hoyoverse,
What to do?
where's the Switch version of Genshin Impact? Asan? Okay?
O, pala may
Genshin
switch ka pala, di ba?
was released in 2020 and it said it's gonna be on Switch. Nagka-Star Rail na lang, nagkaroon na ng
3 years.
PlayStation na Star Rail, wala pa ring Switch na Genshin Impact. Hoyoverse, where? When? Okay? When? Listen, that's what I'm waiting for, to play Genshin Impact, while I'm, I don't know, taking a shit or sleeping on the bed. Okay? All right, please, Hoyoverse. Okay.
Make it
Yun ang
happen.
sa
Make
akin.
it happen.
Yeah, make it happen, Hoyoverse, please. Or at least on a Steam Deck, at least
Yeah.
put it up on Steam. You have it on Epic Games. Put
Right.
it up on Steam. God damn. How hard could it possibly be? Para magamit ko rin yung Steam wallet code ko pang ba yan?
Pang
Cool. Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Mga walang niya to. Pero yun, alright. Notch, the ugly.
Ako,
The-
Hindi siya ugly per se. Kasi maganda yung graphics niya. Pero for me, parang, ba't ba natin kailangan yung Lord of the Ring, Return to Moria? I mean, what's the reason for that? The dwarves are the least favorite characters in the Lord of the Rings movie. Come on. They look,
No! What?
I-
They're the least... What? No,
they're
I
the
don't
least
agree.
favorite, man.
No, I don't agree.
Alam mo sino yung favorite?
I
Legolas.
oppose this elf propaganda over here.
No. No to elf propaganda. Dwarves
Oh,
fucking rule.
Who wants to swing an axe when you can just shoot an arrow and
Imagine
shoot
they
foot
even
forward?
had their own movie. Like, they created an entire movie just
How
for
many-
the Seven
They did not
Dwarfs.
create an entire movie. There was a book even before the movie. It was called
Exactly.
The Hobbit.
Yeah, but how many
Exactly.
games-
Hindi dwarves yung doon,
Hindi,
yung
not,
Hobbit.
not, yeah, but basically the entire movie was on the premise that the dwarves were the center of all the attention. It's not the
No, they
elves.
were not.
And,
The dragon was
and-
the
Wait,
dragon.
wait, wait.
And look
I have
at
to veto this.
how
I have to stop this, okay? Kasi we're talking about games, hindi tayo walang pro elf, pro dwarf propaganda na nangyayari dito, okay? So, save it for another episode.
that's a fucked up take. That's a hot take that I will not take, Chino.
Actually, Chino, tell me this.
Their homes are too dark and they're all dead.
Like, this isn't even
Their homes are filled with orcs and shit. What the fuck?
this isn't even like this isn't even this isn't even about fucking Lord of the Rings dwarves or elves. How many games do elves that elves are, how many dwarf games do we have,
And
None.
And
popular.
just one good point. Ito lang. Rings of Power.
We have Dwarf Fortress. You know, Deep Rock.
Rings of Power, where all the story is, surrounded or centered on the elves, and nobody gives a shit about it.
Because they were wrong. That's why nobody gives.
Bigyan niyo ng tubig to. Bigyan niyo ng tubig.
Fuck the elves!
Dwarves sucks. They're short, and all they do is just sneak around and
You're a
mine and
heightist.
shit.
You're a heightist.
Heightist ang puta.
Classic.
Guys,
What a
on
classist.
record, Gino hates short people. Heightist.
No,
Heightist.
no. I did not say that, ha? Wala akong sinabi ganun. I was talking about the dwarves in Lord of the Rings, fucker.
Higitin na to si Leo.
I am actually looking forward to that game, despite it being the gameplay, despite it being
needed.
exclusive to the fucking Epic Game Store. I am still looking forward to
It's
that
not needed.
game.
Parang yung Lost Crown. It's not needed. Parang yung Star Wars Outlaws. It's not
I
even needed.
don't give a
What?
shit. I want to explore Moria and make my camp with beard dwarves there. Make my beard fucking very dirty while I make camp in Moria.
You know, Trixo, you know what's better than the Return to Moria game?
What?
Yung kaka-release lang na game.
Oh yeah, but that's from an indie company. They the fucking Gollum game.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
actually
hate on that
baffled
shit.
those people. Daedalic Entertainment got Gollum. So, kasi Daedalic was mostly known for Deponia and Edda and Harvey, which may I remind is a simple point and click adventure game.
Right.
How they got those in their hands and how they
Galing,
have the technology makes me wonder how it's going to how they're going
I mean,
to step it up.
I don't care. Medyo hindi ko nagustuhan yung graphics nun. Pero I
Right.
mean, the gameplay of it all. I like it.
Kasi
But dwarves suck. That's it.
Nah.
Okay, bigyan natin si Charlie
You
ng
have
chance
no power
mag-rebut.
here.
Ayan, so
You
Charlie,
have
para
no
sa'yo,
power here.
what's the
They don't have
outcome
power
for you?
over Moria.
Uh, uh, so ugly. I just hate Prince of Persia. Bad and ugly, it's just all the same. Like, I've watched a couple, and I never really found anything as ugly as Prince of Persia. You can hate me all you want, but there's no need for Prince of Persia if you're just gonna go back to the Metroidvania style to the
Actually,
May
scroller.
nakita ko mas
Actually,
worse kay
it's
may
fucking
may
weird
nakita ko
nga
mas
eh,
worse.
So-
Diba? Like if you're gonna make a comeback, right? Like this is the Prince of Persia comeback, basically, right? Like if you're gonna make
Right.
that kind of a big comeback, like the same with GOW, God of War, you're gonna make a big bang out of
Make
the
it better, no?
franchise. Make it big, make it
The
awesome. Like this is underwhelming.
Alam mo
I
kung ano yung
had-
mas
It's
worse
so
sa
bad.
Lost
It's
Crown?
ugly.
Actually, Lee,
Alam mo
I
yung
have
mas
the
worse sa
same,
Lost Crown?
I have the opposite
Yung
problem.
Return to Moria.
Fuck you. Actually, I have the opposite problem when it came to God of War. They made it too big. Kasi like it's just an expansion of God of War 2018. They did not do
Right.
anything new. Like they didn't even
It's the same, no?
it's just the
No,
same.
I think the
added the
addition-
spear. That's
Right.
it.
And the body system.
What?
That's basically
But-
what's new about the game. But I understand. I completely understand that sentiment.
Is such a
It's an old system.
because it's not an actual system. It's not an actual good system. If you want your
Right.
son to be fighting with you, You want to give him a life bar. Make them a son and dad and son duo, you know? I don't want him to be just a glorified attack button. Give him
Glorified attack button.
he is the sun button.
Right,
like
right.
it's like he's Navi. Like, father, look out! Use a healing stone. What the
Yeah.
fucking look
It's-
out,
it's-
father.
For me, I understand that sentiment, Tricks, because
You also have not to mention you have him screaming out the dangers. You also have a damage indicator. You have two fucking things. Like
Right.
sometimes simple is fine, you know. And they're doing some cool shit with with fucking Lost Ground. Like it's fine gameplay wise, but the only issue I had with it was, you know, the 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 setting itself. It's a spin-off.
Right.
It's a spin-off. I get it. The fucking prince isn't even the main character.
Yeah.
That's my only problem.
Right.
It looks like a cool game. Even Ubisoft
It is.
advertised it as wrong because they say it's semi-open world. How?
No, it's not.
a fucking
It's linear.
Metroidvania.
Yeah, it's a linear
It's
game.
very linear. It's not.
Yeah.
It's
It's
fine.
not semi-open. I don't understand why they
What the hell
advertise
does
it
that
way.
even mean? You know, fucking
Yeah.
semi-open.
And
It's a
I
sandbox?
understand Trickster kasi when God of War came out, I was waiting for, something new with the franchise. Like, it's been years since the last game, and everyone was waiting for it. But basically it was a graphic upgrade, and they brought it to the new consoles, and it was good. It was overall good. There's nothing much about to say. I understand that's kind of, for me, it's a nitpicky situation, because if you hate that, you would hate Tears of the Kingdom. Like, you would hate the body system. But like
But they
when
did
I
add something new to Tears of the Kingdom. That weird fucking mechanic weird shit thing.
yeah. That thing is a totally different thing, and it was fun. But
It
with
added
God
plus
of War
it added
was
to stuff.
yeah.
It added to many things. God of War is just the
No,
setting.
the best thing about God of War is that the story did not revolve anymore on his anger. I think that just the story with the improved gameplay and graphics made it worth it. It's almost the same
I
case
don't
with how people calling Tears of the Kingdom as a DLC for Breath of the Wild. That's what they're calling it now. It's kind of the same thing, because when you really look at the bigger picture for God of War, when they released it, there's nothing much change. With the mechanics is still the same. You're just fighting hordes, But when you think about it, just the good story, the good gameplay, great
The good
graphics.
story isn't even that
having fun.
good. They
Yeah,
finished
it's
the
still
game-
expanding.
No, the story isn't even that good. Like, fuck me. Like, the game is crap. The fucking the combat is crap. I don't care what anyone says about
Right.
the gameplay. I don't care if you can do fucking combos. You can't even jump.
Right.
You can't fucking jump. You're stuck like you're in third person shooter mode, and the only fucking time it was that good was when you're playing as Atreus, because it actually plays like a third person shooter.
Yeah,
You know?
that's true. No, we're opposing on that, but I really like God of War as well. But we can settle on
Trix,
agree
parang
to
nakukuha
disagree.
ko na hindi mo masyado nagustuhan yung God of War. Parang feeling
No.
ko.
No,
But the bad and ugly for me is really just Prince of Persia.
Prince of
Take it
Persia.
out. Delete that shit. We don't need it. Throw it
Yung
out the garbage.
Return to Moria, just
You
delete it
you
all.
you already put it in the bin ever since the last PS2 game. And if you're gonna come back with Prince of Persia, do it right. Do it with a big bang. Don't do Prince of Persia this way, because it's one of those games that made Assassin's Creed game. Those kind of 3D like platform games, great.
Right.
Prince of Persia started it. Nobody wants to agree, but Prince of Persia started it.
Okay. So, yeah. Now, alam ko, Trickster, marami ka na nasabi kanina. You've said a lot of things about like pro-elf propaganda and how you despise and hate God of War. But let me ask you something. Ano yung ugly na sa Game Fest? Wait. Ano daw?
Yung take ni
Something
Chino.
Hindi pa ba ugly yung
It's
sinabi
completely
niya?
fucked.
Alright. You're muted, by the way.
Ayun. It was very loud right now. Dogs were howling.
O, tingnan mo, narinig ng mga aso yung pinagsasabi ni Chino tungkol sa dwarves.
It's absurd.
You fucked them up, Chino.
Trick, sabi ng ate mo, galit ka na naman, no?
Of course. Of course. Well, that's expected nowadays, you know. Like I had a look. I liked a lot of stuff during the week of the game showcase.
Yeah.
As for the ugly, wow, you're just showing to me right now, huh? Okay, so you know.
Yun ba yun? Yun ba yung ugly sa'yo?
Oh,
It wasn't that bad.
it,
What do you mean?
no, it's not. But it's just fucking Far Cry, but with Avatar.
Okay.
It's basically Horizon Zero Dawn with the actual Avatar characters.
But it's not even like it's an FPS. Like
Right.
if it was third person, I would agree. But this is just Far Cry, but with like the Navi, like
Right.
but and a bit of Turok, I guess, you know, since you're using primitive weapons.
Right.
The funny thing about that is while I was watching the trailer, everyone in chat was asking, "Can I play as the Marines instead and kill the blue people?"
Murder the Navis.
Teka lang ha. Dali lang. Teka, Charlie. Ano tingin mo dun sa sinabi niya? Do you agree din ba? Kasi para sumunod na lang ako.
with the current storyline sa Way of the Water, I would agree. They need to be fucked. like Way of the Water ruined like the first franchise. I know everyone loved it. I kind of liked it, but it just didn't do it for me. Like the big story on Avatar, the first Avatar movie.
There was an expectation.
It was.
Is it
And you need to live up to it if you made record world breaking record of box office. There's that expectation, and you didn't make that expectation. It became more like a teenager movie. Like The Way of the Water was about the kids, and it was just annoying as shit. The characters were annoying.
So what do you have against kids, Lee? Lee, what do you have against kids?
Manahimik ka, Hightis. This is a Navi thing.
It's
This
the
is
movie
not
of
about
all time.
Yeah, I mean,
Like
Just-
it's the movie of all time. You can't tell what to feel about it.
Okay.
I saw it, I guess. That's it.
Kaya nag-extra. Okay, dahil sinabi mo na rin naman yan, para sabay na tayo, I'd have the same sentiments with the Avatar game. Kasi in-announce yun, I think last year ata, parang sige, people were hyped about it. It was announced before the movie.
mm.
So, nung dumating yung movie, medyo parang it went downhill. So,
Medyo right.
Oo.
Sabi mo sa akin, gusto mo siya eh.
Ako?
Sabi mo.
Sino? Hindi ako nagsasabi ng ganun.
I agree. I think they just came out with this game too late. If they did this game right after the first movie when it was so fucking hyped, it would make sense.
But
Right.
but they did actually make a movie based on the first movie. No one fucking played it.
Really? I
Yeah.
didn't even know.
There was a game. It's just Avatar.
Pero it
I didn't
sucks.
even
The game
know.
sucks. Alam mo yung mga games na ginagawa nila just for the movie para
Yeah,
lang
maybe like
just to ride on it? It sucks.
yeah,
Right.
that's it. It's
Just
it's,
like
it's a
Return of
game.
Moria.
It's a game. That's it. But I mean, it's a game. But you know, like other games.
All right. Okay. So, to sum it all up, meron tayong heightist na pro-elf propagandist. Meron tayong
Fuck that guy.
pro-dwarf propagandists here. And I think, Mike, we need
Fuck,
your, we need your ugly. We need the ugly.
Yun na, sabi ko na kasi bago sasabayan ko na yung ni Trickster kasi
Sasabayan mo na.
Sinabayan ko na.
Wait, one thing before you guys proceed. What I found it interesting on the trailer of Avatar, the new game, is the link. They finally used the links. Like in the movie, they didn't fully stated how they use it, but I think in this game they did, because now you can become the animal and control the other species in the game, which they showed. Which is, I think, is interesting, because if they do that in the movie, then it makes more sense, instead of, just attaching your basically your sexual organ to a tree, and then everyone understands what you're saying, right? Because now you can actually see how they're controlling it. It kind of explains a lot of the lore and the mechanics of how the Navis did it in the film, which nobody really understood well. It's kind of just a magic thing. So that's an interesting point of view, because I love the Avatar film, the first one. Second one was shit. Let's be honest. Let's not let's not walk on eggshells here.
Teka, let's just hope that the game
Baka para sa iyo lang. Yung iba bang gusto
Yeah,
nila?
that's what I said. It's a personal opinion. It's my 2 cents. Nobody cares about it. You don't need to give a shit about what I say. But it's Way of the Water was crap.
Okay. So, all right. Again, grabe naman to. Ang daming honest opinions, ang daming hot takes. I really wanted to do a hot takes episode. Like episode dedicated to just absurdly hot takes, or like obviously legal hot takes, or like hot takes tulad ng kay Chino na he hates dwarves. Right?
Nako, baka biglang gumaling isa.
We need to
Wala
create an
sinabing I hate
episode,
dwarves.
and then ang pangalan ng episode, Hate Train.
Hate train, di ba? Ganun lang.
Yes.
Like, let's talk about all the things, all the geeky and nerdy shit that we hate. Yun.
Yeah.
All right. So, before we end this podcast, I would like to inform everyone that Chino and Lee have been both taken out.
I knew it.
Fucking knew it.
All right?
I was
Chino
right
and Lee
again.
have been both taken out. So, for the crew, who do you think was the mole?
Trickster.
Who's
It's
Mike?
Mike.
Who's Mike? It's fucking Mike. Fuck you, Mike.
I'll tell you why. It's been a while.
Wait lang. Trickster, sino sa'yo? Who do you think was the mole?
I don't know. I think it was Lee. But
It was me.
like we've been talking to each other, but it's been so long. But maybe she said something that
It was Mike.
But Lee was
I knew
taken out, though. Lee
Yeah,
was
that's
taken
true.
out.
dead.
So my first suspicion was Lee. So
Was
now,
Lee.
so
Si Mike.
well, how did fucking Mike kill them though? That's the problem. Since
All right. So, okay. So, Mike says Trickster says Mike. Hindi pwedeng si Notch at si Charlie kasi they were both taken out. So, Mike, giving you a chance to redeem yourself, to plead your case.
Okay. I have never seen Trickster so riled up in a podcast episode. This is, that's number one. Number two, I never saw Trickster. I never heard Trickster mention names in the previous podcast. So the fact that he's mentioning names now is something
Okay.
something off.
Something off. All right. Trickster, how about you? How do you plead your case?
I have to get their attention because this dwarf propaganda was this elf propaganda was I cannot
started this
fucking
shit.
stand by but what they're being sullied by this.
The fuck? Dude,
Fuck
they're
elves.
dwarves.
They're selfish.
So,
They're
eto
They
na.
died. They all died at the start of the movie.
The reveal.
We must honor their memory.
Okay, so the reveal, before we end this episode, I want all the crew members na hindi mole to say the prompt word in 3, 2, 1.
Completely.
Wow, Mac, it's Trickster!
It's Trickster!
Oo.
Hindi ko nalala.
So,
God damn!
diba may trigger word si Trickster? I think I know what it is.
Anong trigger word the trickster?
Actually.
Did we win?
Trickster!
Charlie and Notch
Trickster.
voted Mike out.
But we're dead. We can't vote, right? So it's between the two of them, di ba? Wow. So it was Trickster?
Yeah, it was trickster.
God damn,
Galing.
Trickster. You got me into the dwarf campaign and I trusted you.
See, I told you, sinabihan na kita, Lee. Sabi ko sa'yo, dwarves are
The
not to be
dwarves.
trusted.
I actually forgot about it since we got so heated with this fucking elf shit. You know, I got too into it. I forgot that we were playing.
Sabi ko nga, like, tinanong mo nga siya like, did you actually take out anyone? Like, everyone was rambling about stuff, di na ako nakahabol.
Hindi ko man lang narinig na sinabi niya yung pangalan ko.
Kasi nga everyone was
Ako
rambling,
din eh.
he hid it
Ako din.
behind the cracks of the rambling.
Oo, tinake ni Trickster opportunity na yan. Pero nang nakita ko na nagsabi na si Trickster nang he was like calling out Lee, sabi ko.
And you call me shy, you know? And you call me the fucking soft-spoken one.
Pangalan
Yeah,
ko,
You gotta get in on this thing.
That's why the episode is kaya itong episode na to, I got you.
How was the podcast mafia?
Oh, it was fun. This is a fun
Yeah,
game.
man, mas fun. Mas masarap siguro kung marami tayo. No?
Oh, yeah.
Mas I would love to have Rene, here. Kasi
Oh,
sa
yeah.
sobrang competitive Rene, he will be like super into like every
pero
single one.
Dude,
of you guys.
hindi marunong magsinungaling yung taong yun. I swear.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you sure? He could hide his, he could hide.
I mean, he speaks a lot of jokes and all, pero madali siyang mahuli pag nagsisinungaling siya.
Yeah.
He has a tell.
Wow. That was...
Nagiging straight yung buhok niya.
Notch was easy. We kind of knew it. We just wanted to prolong the game.
Yeah, pero you all died, so you know.
Sa susunod, we will do it immediately. Like, first round, we will vote out someone. Because this is a test game. So,
Yeah, this is a test.
we don't want to make it short para mag-enjoy tayo. But
Mas maganda din
Trickster,
siguro kung
that was a monkey wrench. You're like, you're so good.
Galing mo, Tricks.
Galing mo doon.
Actually, no. I really did forget. I was just that.
Did we ruin ourselves with the discussion of elves versus
Yes,
dwarves? Like,
you
wrap
ruined
ourselves.
yourselves.
Like we
And
fed
that
into
was the
Trickster.
plan. Ha!
Pero mas maganda siguro kung hindi ganun ka-obvious yung phrase, ay yung kill phrase.
Yeah,
It's like, everybody will be like,
Kasi
everybody,
English
or something like a gesture siguro, like a kill gesture para like hindi
Yeah.
talaga ganun, like when you scratch your back while saying someone's name or something like that, para hindi ganun ka obvious.
Yes,
But
yes.
yeah, this episode has been fun. We've been
One last question for everyone about the announcements. What was the most unexpected one for you guys? With just one.
Oh,
The lost
unexpected
ground.
one.
Damn it.
So, yun nga. Sonic,
Fucking lost ground.
Okay.
For me, Baldur's Gate 3
Oh,
was surprising. Like,
What surprise,
it was-
matagal na yun eh.
yeah, it was in pero
was it?
seeing it here,
No, I didn't hear
Tagal
about
na
it
yun.
till.
It was in
early
it
access.
was an open beta. Oh, early access. Right?
Oh, okay.
Hanggang ngayon.
Alright.
Hanggang ngayon.
So yung ano natin yung time bearer natin kinakaltukan na ako kasi sabi overtime na daw tayo. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much din sa crew for being a good sport, for being on top of each other. As in like hinahanap nila yung kill phrase and all that stuff. I mean, I really appreciate everyone, yung kay Mike, I want to be completely honest, like sobrang ganda ng pagkakapasok mo nung phrase na yon. Chino, sobrang slick ni Chino nung first round But yeah.
Oh,
thank
hindi
you so
expect
much.
Hindi expect.
Yeah, it took you out. Sobrang ganda. Dapat next time we do this, like si Chino, dapat yung natin, yung target natin dito. All right. So yeah, thank you. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And syempre sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa atin, sa lahat na nanood kanina pa, thank you so much. That has been one hell of an episode. Catch us next week. We're gonna talk about a lot of geeky stuff as well. So that's been from G3 and Mineral Tuna. Kasama natin si Notch, Charlie, Captain Mike, and Trickster G3. We are out.
We are out.
Hell, you couldn't watch too. Dreamed awesome.
Yeah,
You know what
boy.
God of War reminds me of? The Witcher. That's fucking
No! 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 What?
Oh God, it's the
God of War? Witcher? Fuck! Fuck the elves.
That's a nice egg you got there.
Hindi na natin kailangan yung Return of Moria. Why even bring it up?